How to make a YouTube thumbnail using Canva. So guys, we're gonna use a Canva for making a YouTube thumbnail quick and easy and simple. So once you're here on this page, once you click on create a thumbnail, you will see options here already made from Canva. As you can see, these options are here. You could choose any of these designs you want. So I'm gonna choose one of these, just having a great look. Okay, so I'm just gonna choose this one here. So as you can see, it really simply just click on came on the screen. So it's going to give you a few seconds before it uploads and you're going to design it. So while it uploads, as you can see over here on the sides, there's many different kinds of designs and different niches that you can choose from. So once it has uploaded, you can choose anything that you want. You can change this one over here. You can change this one over here, or anything you want to, or you could choose whatever you want. You could write down here 786 per day, easy per day, or you could choose per day and you can write here quick. You could put in anything you want. You could delete. You could choose and design. So we're gonna choose one of these here, elements. So let's go choose an elements that we can add to. As you can see, there's a lot of elements they can do. And let's use cache. Let's see all the graphics. So just gonna wait a few seconds so it uploads. So you can see you have a lot of different ranges of different graphics. As you can see, some of these have the pro version, but that's okay. It'll just have a small logo on them. You can still add them to your thumbnail, but it'll have a small logo on them that says Canva. So let's choose. We're gonna choose, this one. And you can do it small and big. As you can see, it's underneath this text. So what you want to do is click on the picture, right click, and you want to scroll down. As you can see, it says layer, and then you want to bring one forward, or you can bring all the way up. So I'm going to choose bring the all the way up. As you can see, it came all the way up. You're going to choose it to be small. And maybe put it here. And then we're going to choose, and that's okay. And then we're just going to make it a little bit bigger. And then we're going to choose, just click here, this one over here. As you can see, it's black and I don't like this color, so I'm gonna choose another color. If you want to choose another color, you can edit, crop, and animate. I'm gonna choose here, and I'm gonna choose it to be white, and then put it over here. I'm gonna put it over here. I'm gonna I'm gonna choose this to be a little bit more bigger, and then put this over here. And make this a bit smaller. And here we go. So you could choose different kinds of things to do. You can add text. You can upload your own images to it, and you can add what do you call it, designs and stuff. Different kinds of designs and pictures, or any kinds of picture you can add in here. You can even change the background color if you want to. You can choose on the background color on there, and then choose on this color, and you can choose any color that you want to change it to. So let's change it to purple or pink. You can choose pink, purple, wherever you want. Pink looks better. So choose that. So there you go. This is how to create a thumbnail using Canva. And also make sure that you can see upper right here, make sure you name it, make it how to make money, or whatever you want to name your video, your thumbnail. I mean, whatever you want to name your thumbnail, make sure you put the name over here, and then click on share. Once you click on share, click on download, and then you could choose PNG. You could choose different kind of stuff here over here. Leave it at PNG for YouTube videos thumbnail, and then click on download. I mean, download it automatically to your computer. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye.